So thank you very much for the hearty welcome I had here in China with Blue Elephant, with Amber and her colleague together. We had a workshop roundabout here for 1 hour to look what your products are, how you work, and also we saw some videos. Have also talked about offers, which you already became. My impression so far is that your company is very, very professional. Highly efficient in the communication, also very kind in terms of hosting. I'm looking forward for the next specialized offers, getting in contact, also looking how you work, if we can exchange together, looking how is the quality, and then also the after-sales service. Thank you very much so far for hosting me, and yeah, looking forward for co-working.